Quick warning, today's episode will contain men with their shirts off, bathing next to rivers. Hey everybody, this is Eric with Adventure Experience, and I'm asking you, when's the last time you shaved in ice cold water? I'm just asking, when's the last time you did something a little crazy, normal activity, but you changed it up just a little bit for whatever reason? You took an ice bath. You went snowmobiling in summertime on a lake. You went skiing in the wintertime, except you went uphill instead of downhill. I'm just asking, when did you change things up a little bit? And did it make you better as a result? Did it make you open to more extreme experiences as a result? Did it make you feel stronger? Did it make you feel better about yourself? I'm just asking because, well, obviously, right? But I'm just saying, we can go to some pretty amazing places, do some pretty amazing things, but there's always that possibility of just taking what you're doing now and changing it up just a little bit. Making it faster, making it bigger, making it a little bolder, braver, right? Do what you're doing, do it at night, right? Do it, you do it in the warmth, do it in the cold sometime, right? I'm talking whitewater rafting on New Year's Day. Why not? It's only ice bridges. Okay, maybe we can go back to that little maxim I have. We can do stupid things, don't do them stupidly. Yeah, that would be one of them. All I'm saying is, we can change our lives and bring little things in that make a huge difference. And one of them is, just changing up something you're already doing, do it differently. Sleep outside, right? Go for the spicy dish. Choose the thing that you've never done before, do it just a little bit different, see if it makes a difference for you. In the meantime, I'm gonna try and get this razor through this, and this is only day 6 of the trip. I don't know what happened, I don't know. Whatever the case is, hey, you adventure on safely, shave safely with warm water, please. Don't do it because of me. And hey, always stay safe, stay well, and adventure on. I'm Eric with Adventure Experience. We'll catch you next episode.